Good morning, parents of Franklin 6th grade. Miss Brown here. I just wanted to say congratulations. We have made it halfway through the first week of school. We're trying to kick it up a notch a little bit, and I just wanted to talk to you for a second and tell you about some assessments that are coming up for our 6th grade. The first I want to talk to you about is an assessment in my class. On Friday or Monday, if you are in my A group, if you have me for A day, and Monday if you have me for B day, the students will be writing an essay. This essay will do one purpose and one purpose alone, and that is it's going to guide my instruction. So I need to know exactly how your child writes. One of the advantages, or at least as a parent, one of my advantages of my children being home doing distance learning is that I can help them. I desperately need your child to completely do this essay independently. I need to see where their strengths and weaknesses are so I know exactly how to teach the 6th graders at Franklin. So I would appreciate your support in helping make sure they finish it, but please do not give them help or advice or brainstorming. Some of our kids have amazing support systems at home. They have older siblings and cousins and parents that are amazing writers. And we will definitely tap those resources as the year goes on. But for this particular essay, I need it to be 100% them. Even if all they write is one sentence, and that is the best they can do, that's okay. It is not graded. It is just for me to see what I need to teach. So that's the first. The first is please don't help with the essay that I assign on Friday for my A group and Monday for my B group. And then the other is just looking ahead. Our iReady test is going to be the week of August 17th for both ELA and math. So again, it'll be 100% independent. And that iReady test, the first iReady test of the year, does the exact same thing as this assessment. It tells Mr. Melendres for math and me for ELA exactly what needs to be taught. So it's not the fall iReady. It's not as important how high or low the kids score. It's more of helps us determine what our roadmap will be for the school year. It's not as much an assessment for your child as it is an instruction manual for their teacher. So if you have any questions, please give me a call. My number is area code 209-985-1605. And I have really enjoyed working with you guys these past couple days, and I look forward to a really productive year. I hope you have a great rest of your week, and we end strong. And a side note about myself, I am awful at ending these videos. I did a lot of these last year when we were distance learning. So I'm just going to struggle, and you're going to support me, I hope. Bye.